ASMR Satisfying Blackhead Removal Deep Facial Cleansing Routine. Welcome to a relaxing ASMR skincare session. In today's video, we are performing a satisfying blackhead removal treatment combined with a deep facial cleansing routine. This treatment focuses on gently removing impurities from the pores while creating a calm and relaxing experience. ASMR skincare videos are designed to be both visually satisfying and mentally relaxing. Stay until the end to enjoy the full process and see the final results. What is ASMR skincare? ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It is a relaxing sensation triggered by soft sounds, slow movements, and detailed visuals. In skincare videos, ASMR includes gentle facial movements, close-up skin textures, soft extraction sounds, calm spa environments. These elements make the video soothing and satisfying to watch. Deep facial cleansing routine. The treatment begins with a deep cleansing routine. A gentle cleanser is used to remove dirt, oil, and makeup from the skin. This step ensures that the surface of the skin is clean. Next, steam is applied to open the pores and soften the buildup inside them. This preparation step is essential for effective blackhead removal. Satisfying blackhead removal. Now begins the most satisfying part, blackhead extraction. Using professional dermatology tools, gentle pressure is applied around the pores. The blackheads are slowly released from the skin. The process is done carefully to avoid irritation. Watching the extraction process can be extremely satisfying, especially when large clogged pores are cleared. Skin soothing process. After the extraction, the skin needs to be soothed. A calming toner or serum is applied to reduce redness and tighten the pores. Hydrating products help restore the skin's balance. This step ensures that the skin remains healthy after the treatment. Final results. After the deep facial cleansing routine, the skin appears smoother and cleaner. The pores are visibly clearer, and the skin looks more refreshed. Regular deep cleansing can help maintain these results.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.